Well, it's been 4 years. Top looks much better. Front looks the same. Also, quit my day job. So apparently you guys only have attention for 3 minutes, so I'll keep it short this time. Not a lot of comments about what tools were what. Definitely added some good things. Surprised I didn't get copyrighted for that last one. That Lady Gaga in the background. Junk drawer. Three minutes isn't very long. So. But that's all you guys can handle. We'll make it short, 3 minutes. Definitely need to organize this one. If you're wondering about tools, comment below. Be happy to answer any questions. Knox. He cracks me up. This one needs to be organized. It's all shooting stuff. You already know who we voted for. I already know. Beats punching in. Thanks for tuning in, guys.